Today, I'll explain the secrets behind the Japanese having long lifespans and strong muscles in a simple way. Muscle loss is particularly common after age 60. However, some very inexpensive high-protein foods in the Japanese diet really help rebuild muscles. In this video, I will show you the 7 budget-friendly, high-protein foods that Japanese people consume daily, and how each one helps rebuild your muscles. Before we start the video, I'm curious. Please write in the comments below where you're watching from. What time is it exactly right now? I'm really curious about your comments and read them with great interest. If you're ready, let's begin. 1. Tofu, Japan's most affordable, muscle-friendly protein. Tofu is part of everyone's daily life in Japan. It is preferred not only because it is inexpensive, but also because it is very easy to digest, especially for older people. Tofu can be an excellent protein alternative for those who do not eat meat. In fact, it is such a powerful source that it can even replace meat in some cases. There is an average of 8 grams of plant-based protein in 100 grams of tofu. It contains plant-based but high-quality protein. Although its amino acid profile is not as balanced as meat, it is sufficient for muscle repair and muscle building. Low saturated fat, beneficial for heart health. Easy to digest, especially easier to tolerate for people over 50 to 60 years old. It is much more economical compared to meat. But the real beauty is this. Tofu is very soft and light, so it doesn't weigh heavily on the stomach. One of the biggest problems for people over 60 is digestive sensitivity and sensitivity to fatty foods. Tofu is the exact opposite. It is easy to digest. It is low in fat. It has an ideal amino acid profile for muscle repair. The Japanese use tofu not only in meals, but also in soups, salads, and even breakfast. For this reason, it has become one of the main foods that delay muscle loss. 2. Natto fermented protein, powerhouse. Next up is one of Japan's most interesting yet most powerful foods, natto. Natto is fermented soybeans and contains approximately 18 grams of protein per 100 grams. Because it is fermented, it is easier to digest than tofu. Despite being plant-based, it is rich in BCAAs, important for muscle building. But natto's real power isn't just protein, it is also one of the world's richest foods in vitamin K2. What does vitamin K2 do? It regulates calcium transport to muscles. It strengthens bone structure. It improves muscle and bone coordination. People over 60 therefore never let natto go missing from their homes. Its taste may take some getting used to, but its effect is incredibly powerful. It is one of the secret foods behind the Japanese people's longevity. 3. Sardines, affordable omega-3 and muscle protein. In Japan, eating fish is not a luxury. Quite the opposite, it is an everyday occurrence. And one of the most commonly consumed fish is sardines. The bones of small sardines are soft and become even softer when cooked. They are almost as rich in calcium as milk. In Japan and the Mediterranean cuisine, sardines are eaten with their bones, and this calcium support is particularly beneficial for those aged 60 plus. 100 grams of sardines contain an average of 23 grams of high-quality animal protein. This is even higher than red meat. Sardines are also very rich in omega-3, reduce muscle inflammation, speed up recovery after exercise, support heart health, muscle inflammation, and pain, are common in individuals over 60 who are trying to build muscle. Sardines help alleviate most of these problems. They are also very inexpensive, making them an ideal Japanese food. 4. Eggs, the easiest protein for aging muscles. Eggs hold a very important place in Japanese cuisine. Consider that a single large egg contains 6 to 7 grams of protein, and its amino acid profile is nearly perfect for muscle repair. The Japanese boil eggs, add them to soup, mix them into rice, make omelets. Eggs can be found in every meal. The benefits of eggs are particularly noticeable in people over 60. They accelerate muscle protein synthesis. They provide satiety. They contain all the amino acids necessary for muscle repair. They are one of the simplest, cheapest, yet most effective Japanese protein sources. 5. Edamame, fresh soybeans. Edamame is fresh soybeans sold even by street vendors in Japan. It contains 11 grams of protein per 100 grams. But it's not just the protein that makes edamame special, it is very high in fiber. It balances blood sugar, it contains magnesium, and folate, it increases oxygen transport to muscles. In Japan, the elderly population, in particular, consume edamame as a light snack. It is both nutritious and easy to digest. How to cook. Edamame Japanese style. 1. Boiling. The most common Japanese method. Ingredients: frozen or fresh edamame in pods, coarse salt, preferably sea salt. Directions: put water in a large pot and bring to a boil. Once boiling, add plenty of salt. The Japanese make the water as salty as seawater. Add the edamame, still in their pods, to the boiling water. Boil for 3 to 5 minutes. Do not boil for too long, or the taste will be ruined. Drain, then sprinkle coarse salt over them again. Peel the pods with your hands and eat the beans inside. This is the classic Japanese way of serving it. Edamame, fresh green soybeans, can be found in many Western countries' grocery stores. Frozen edamame products, in particular, are sold in large supermarket chains and supermarkets. If your city has a large supermarket or Asian market, check the frozen vegetables, frozen legumes, Asian products section. They are often sold labeled as soybeans, frozen, or directly as edamame. 6. Saba fish. Mackerel, the Japanese fish that repairs muscles. Saba fish is a staple of Japanese cuisine. It contains approximately 20 grams of protein per 100 grams. But what sets Saba fish apart from other fish are the following important points. Very high in omega-3. Very high in vitamin D, accelerates repair in aged muscles, and has an anti-inflammatory effect. Vitamin D deficiency is one of the biggest causes of muscle weakness after the age of 60. Saba fish compensates for this deficiency very well. That's why Japanese people consume it at least twice a week. Common cooking methods: grilling, pan grilling, yaki style. Clean the fish and grill it quickly with simple seasonings like salt and lemon, either as fillets or whole. The skin becomes crispy and the meat stays juicy. Baking. Especially whole mackerel or fillets are placed in the oven with a little oil, lemon, and perhaps spices. With medium heat and the right time, e.g. 20 to 30 minutes, you get a delicious fish that is lightly browned on the outside and juicy on the inside. Marinating and pickling. Pickle-like preparations, especially in Japanese cuisine. In some Japanese recipes, oily fish such as Saba can be marinated in advance with circular solutions such as salt plus vinegar, controlling histamine formation to make sushi/sashimi/pickled style preparations. Filleted mackerel can be fried in a small amount of oil and cooked carefully. This method is also ideal for fast/practical evening meals. Thanks to international trade, freezing, and the cold chain, Saba and mackerel-like fish are available in seafood or fish markets into large supermarkets for most of the year, depending on the season. 7. Soba noodles. The power of buckwheat. Soba is a traditional Japanese noodle made from buckwheat. Cooked soba contains 5 to 6 grams of protein per 100 grams. Unlike regular wheat, buckwheat contains much higher levels of magnesium and fiber. This helps muscles work better and recover faster. Soba also has a low glycemic index. This is a significant advantage for the 60-plus age group. Blood sugar does not spike suddenly, energy remains more stable. There is no feeling of heaviness after meals. The Japanese consume soba, both hot and cold. It is practical, inexpensive, and muscle-friendly. Soba noodles can be found in the International Asian Products section of supermarkets, especially large chain stores. You can also find them in Asian markets and international food stores. However, one thing to note is that soba may not always be 100% buckwheat. Some packages may contain wheat flour as well. If you want the gluten-free or most natural version, make sure the ingredient list says buckwheat flour. As you can see, these 7 foods in Japanese cuisine are inexpensive, easily accessible, and high in protein. Tofu, natto, sardines, eggs, edamame, Saba fish, and soba. By adding these simple foods to your daily life, it is truly possible to strengthen your muscles after the age of 60. Muscle loss is not an inevitable part of aging. With proper nutrition and regular exercise, you can rebuild your muscles. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video with your loved ones. In the comments below, be sure to share which high-protein foods you consume. Thank you for watching, and if you've turned on all notifications for my next video, see you then.